Okay, here's the recap for 4/16/2019 Tuesday. So pretty slow day. Volume was really meager. Um, I took I think 11 trades today. You can see right here that this was the open. It just traded sideways, just not really moving at all. Made an attempt right in here to get long, thinking that we were still going to go up. Um, it just basically sold off at that point. Took a couple shots at this guy right here, and it just really wasn't meeting the getting very close to the targets where I was expecting it to trade. Um, just weak overall, just mostly a sideways market. Um, I talked about this 2914 level, which I marked off with this gray area as being the location where they'd want to try and hold this market up, and you can see it traded quite a bit right in here, all the way across, and they're fighting it right at this point to try and get it up. Being under here gives the market a kind of a weak pretense, and basically that's what you saw when it finally got under here. It just kind of broke down and got weak, and really they struggled to get it back up at this point. Delta down here basically got under the moving average and just kind of stayed there all day. It wasn't to this point that they started to kind of buy it back up, and then they sold it back off again. But overall, we're pretty much into same amount of volume as yesterday, I think. And looking at this on a higher time frame kind of chart, you can see that this area that kind of held right here was right here on this volume node. And if you look all the way across, you're pretty much right into this, testing the bottom of this volume node. So we touched the top of the volume node, and that's where we got most of our bounces, and then it finally fell through and tested the other side of it and bounced away at that point. Again, had 11 trades, 325 in profit, gross profit. Lost $50 on a trade. Had one loser right here, 90%, and really had it go like, I think 4 or 5 ticks against me in one trade, so not great. But overall, that was the day, and we'll do a chart review later.